Alright, so it's just a quick video. 5 things I love about my Challenger. I had this shit about, what, like 3 weeks, right? Like 3 weeks. Alright, so I'm just gonna go a couple of things. Like I said, if you've seen my videos before, you know I had an old Challenger. And it's like the same, but everything's just like dumb upgraded. So the first thing I'm gonna say is this hood. Like this hood, this shit like way better than the standard hoods. Like
way better than the stock shit, right?
This shit just look way mean. Like way meaner. You pull up somewhere, niggas see this, and I'm like, damn. Cause hey, this the HELLCAT hood in real life. So if you don't know no better, you probably say it's a HELLCAT in real life. But just the whole front end, the whole hood. That's the first thing I like. Second thing is the sound, like the whole sound, the engine. Let me start this shit up real quick. This shit sound way better. And I got the mid muffler delete too. That's number 2 right there. The sound. You know what? I'm gonna do the sound and the engine the same thing because it's like, you know, it's part of the same shit. Pull it up real quick. So you see it. It's SRT 6.4. So that's number 2. So first thing is the hood. Number 2 is the sound and the engine. Number 3 is gonna be the seats. You see right here, on my last one I had the standard seats. These like, you know, the suede, the leather on the outside, they heated and ventilated. It's in the back too. The middle all leather. The side seat, suede. Got the B stitch right there. So yeah, the seat's gonna be number 3 because like they even way more comfortable too. Way more comfortable and look better. So, number 1 got the hood. Number 2, sound and engine. Number 3, the seats. And number 4 is gonna be the sunroof. Anybody been watching my channel, y'all know it was mandatory. Mandatory that I get a sunroof, dog. Let me show you. Even if you don't got this shit all the way open, and you got it vented like this shit just look. That shit just look way better with the sunroof. You ain't gotta have that shit all the way open. Most of the time I ride with just like this, with it just cracked, because it's still like kind of cold right now. So I just roll like this. Then you know, you can let it all the way back if you need to. If need be. Let that bitch all the way back. All the way back. I told dude at the dealer, I said, hey, if I can't see the sky, I don't want it. I said, if I'm in here and I can't see the sky, I don't want it, no cap. All right, number 5 is just a whole, like, you know, this whole infotainment center, like the whole, like, you know, the biggest screen, the gauges. If you got one of these, you got one of the new ones, you know they changed the front on like the, let me try to turn this beeping shit off. It's gonna beep regardless unless I close the door. Yeah, so the whole, you know, infotainment center, I like the gauges, the way it look, the screen right here. How this all set up right here. I got this little chrome button, leather right here. And like I said, that's pretty much it. Just a quick video going to 5 things I love about the Challenger. Like I said, number 1, the hood. Number 2, the sound and the engine. Number 3, the seats, the leather and suede seats. Number 4, the sunroof. And number 5, just a whole, you know, infotainment system. You know, that's the gauges and screen and all that. The lights and shit. They ain't in no type of order. That's just the 5 things I love about my Challenger. I'm about to get the windows tinted tomorrow because right now, you know, fucking fishbowling. You can see right through this motherfucker, but I'm about to get that shit tinted tomorrow, and that's pretty much it.
through the pieces, I started with the remains. Maintaining but flowing so insane. No reality but praying on the chain. Struck a match, y'all listening to the flame. Still blinded with no diamonds on the chain. Why they trash? I'ma dash like I'm Dane. For a quarter with the pass like I'm James. Put my niggas in positions just to win. Cause I remember when nobody gave a fuck about my plans. Now my takeover begins like I planned, nigga.